Come on. Yeah. There. Come on. Go in. You can do it. Whoa. Whoa. Alright. Very, very, very light coating of oil, boys. Very, very light coating of oil, boys and girls. Do not saturate it. As my dad got older, up into his 90s, he'd be working on these things and he'd say to me, "Billy, come over here." And I go, "What's up, Dad?" "Put that spring in for me." "Why, Dad?" "I don't have the strength anymore. I can't do it. I can't hold it." And I'm beginning to get where he was at. All right, we're good. Now let's put those sights in. Okay, Brad, if you need to adjust those, you can. All right. There we go. All right. All right. Little tiny screws just to make life interesting. Little tiny screws. We need a little tiny screwdriver. Yeah, Billy, he'd say, "Come on over here." "What you need, Dad?" "Put these screws in for me." "Why's that, Dad?" "Because I'm too old, my fingers won't work." "Okay, Dad." You're not gonna fight. You're gonna fight me, aren't you? You are. Buggers. Okay. I'm gonna move this so if it falls on the counter. God, I hate these. Half the problem is at my age, I can't even see the damn things. "Billy, come on over here." "Yes, Dad." "Put these screws in for me." Trouble is, I don't have any Billy to call. Here's one. Okay. Come on, don't strip on me. Don't you strip on me. Do this 2 more times. Dad, I miss you. Miss you like hell. But I love you for all the things you taught me. There we go. So I've been asked this question many times. If you're new to this rifle and you want to take your stock in and out, that bolt has got to be all the way back. This slide mechanism has got to be all the way back. Otherwise, it's not going to fit down in that barrel channel. If you go back a few episodes where I had to repair these chips, odds are those chips happen because they're right there where the action is, the slide is, and I'm sure it got caught. So always, always, always have your action back. Oh, that is so gorgeous. So gorgeous. All right. Another thing a lot of folks don't realize, so these barrel bands can only go on one direction because they are tapered to the barrel. And if you look carefully, you'll see two little dots here and here. Those dots, and then you see two more dots down here. Those dots go in against the back of the stock, and the front is exposed to the show side of the gun. So dots go in. So dots in against here, the shoulder. Slides all the way to the back. And we tighten up the screw. Same thing, you don't need to over tighten this, just tighten it up enough so that it squeezes it. Come on. Keeps it from coming out. All right, done. What's your guess? 3 rounds, bang, bang, bang? Or is she gonna misfire? Lay it in the comments. Tell me what you're thinking. 3 rounds, bang, bang, bang? Or is it gonna misfire? This thing is beautiful. All right, I don't know what to say other than this thing is beautiful. It functions flawlessly, and this has been one hell of a journey from where it started to where we got it to today. Brad, you should be really, really happy when you see this thing. Now, I hate to do this to you guys, but I am not going to do the close-ups, the beauty shots in this video. There will be no reveal in this video. I still have a couple spots I've got to do a little work on. That front sight needs a little bit of touch-up blue, a little cold blue. Same on the back sight, and there's a couple spots just around here that I'd like to just touch up a little bit with some cold blue to make this thing all blend in and look beautiful before I do the beauty shots. Now when we come back, probably the week after this video, right now, I will do the beauty shots. I will show you what this thing looks like. Also, if you're a regular to the channel, please stop back because I have Have a few little changes I'm going to make to the channel for the summer. I want to share all that with my regulars. If you like this video, if you like this channel, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're not already subscribed. That's how we grow this thing. The channel is really starting to perform nicely. We're going to cross 14,000 subs. I love it. I owe it all to you guys. And I will see you in the video coming up next week, talking about this gun and the future of the channel. Guys, I love you, and I will see you in the next video. Bye, guys.